Alright, so mount your camera on a tripod using landscape. You get my point. Now record an empty scene for up to 5 seconds. Then you can walk in. Make sure you have chairs. You can use 3 chairs or 2. I had to use 3. Then you stand in front of one chair, maybe the middle one. Then you jump and sit down. Then you can now use your hand to swipe, just like what you see me do here. You can decide to do any other method, using any other method. Now when you are done with the swiping through your left and your right hand, you can now bend your head like this just to disappear. Now when you are done with this particular scene, you move away, then you come back. Understand? You go towards the first side, the first chair you swipe to, and then you sit as if you are falling. So you can just sit there for some seconds. You get my point? And then when you are done, you get up and move to the other chair. Now you sit as if you are falling. Understand? Just like the way you did on the first chair. So when you sit there, you just maintain it. Understand? Now try to be realistic. At this point, you just look at the first chair, the middle chair here, with surprise. Understand? And then you can now curve your leg, or you can do any gesture to disappear. Now when you are done, guys, you are good to go. So from here you can save your video and head over to Capcut. Now on Capcut, you click on new project and import the video you just recorded. So now here is the video. You get my point? So I'll first of all have to tap on this mute clip. So I will mute the noise, the sound in the background. Understand? So from here, we recorded an empty background. You get my point? So I'm looking for that empty background, empty scene first, before I will start from where the character walks in. So at this point, I will tap on the layer right here, click on split. Then I will move this video, just go and look for that particular part where the character is about to land. Understand? Because we want it to start from that part. So from here you click on split and delete this one here. You get my point? So the video is going to start like when the character is falling. I don't know if you get my point, but I believe you get my point. So now this is how it's going to be. You get my point? So now the next thing for you to do right here is to go over to overlay. Now click on overlay. Now tap and drag it to the beginning of the video. Understand? You may not really need to take it to the beginning, so that people will see when the chair was empty, when no one was on the seat. Understand? So you just leave it close to the beginning of the video, somewhere here. I have to adjust my own somewhere here. So guys, if you are beginning to gain value from this video, please do well to like this video. Just hit the like button. It's free. Understand? So now you tap on the empty layer, go and look for freeze. So you click on freeze from here. So you are going to drag the frozen part. Just tap on it. It's now a picture. So you drag the frozen parts, take it to the end of the video. You get my point? So guys, if you're coming across my tutorial or my video for the first time, guys, you're welcome to Mr. Cretin Updates channel. Understand? I teach how to edit videos. So if you like video editing so well, please do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on that notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop another amazing video editing tutorials like this. You get my point? And make sure you like this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. You get my point? So guys, at this point, this is where we will use, but we have to go to where the character is sitting on the chair. Understand? So let's get to where the character is sitting on the chair. So but before now, you can just tap here on the video layer right here. When the character is bending to disappear, you can just tap from there. Then you click on split. Understand? So this is what I'm talking about. Tap on the second layer from here, then you click on split. When you click on split, then keep moving the video. Move the video towards where the other character is coming to sit on that chair, somewhere here. Understand? It has to be in motion. Understand? Let it be as something is sitting with force. There's a force pushing him to that seat. Understand? So from this point here, I'm going to tap on the layer. Understand? As it is on the layer already. So I will tap on split. Then I'm going to delete this middle part here. You get my point? So what you do next is for you to Now go to the layer towards the end of the video, not this one. Let's keep scrolling ahead. Now this one, tap on it, just tap on this particular layer right here. Now when you bring it down, now make it a third layer, understand? So what you are going to do, you are not going to take it to the beginning of the video, you are going to take it to that part where the character in the middle is swiping his hand, understand? That is where you are going to position it. So that's what I'm about to set right now. So stay tuned and keep enjoying this tutorial. Guys, if you've not liked this video, please do well to like this video. You know, that's a way of support, understand? A way to say thank you for this breakdown. You get my point? So at this point where the character is about to swipe his hand to throw the other character to the chair, that is where you will have to bring it, the third layer, to start, understand? So you will have something like this. You get my point? Although the first character is disappeared, understand? So you don't have to worry, we're still going to reveal the first character. So it's just for you to align it, to set it very well. Guys, I know why I'm taking my time to explain this, so that you will not make mistake, understand? And if you are, when you are able to create this video, understand, to create it, make sure you comment, understand? Make sure you tag me when you are posting it, if you are posting on YouTube, understand? Now towards where the character is about to get up from that chair, understand? So from here you can tap on the layer, tap on split. You get my point? Then come here at this point where the character is about to sit here. You know, that falling reaction, that reaction of sitting by force, understand? That force that pushed him to that chair. We want to capture that scene. From there, then you're going to tap on the layer as it is. Then you're going to click on split. Then you delete this middle part here. I believe you understand what I'm saying. So now this other third layer at the beginning, you tap on it. Now what you do, go to mask. Just run to mask. Go to mask. Where is mask? So look at mask here. Click on mask. So when you click on mask, you see horizontal. Now you select horizontal. You get my point? Now tap on it to adjust it. You can click on rotate. Now you are going to rotate it so that it will reveal the two characters. Understand? Yes, rotate it so that it will reveal. It must not be in 90 degrees. You get my point? As you can make it this way based on how you shot your own video. Understand? I made the chest too close. Understand? But if you want to get a perfect result, you need to shift the chest. Understand? You get my point? Then you click on position to set it, shift it. Then from here you can now go to feather. When you go to feather, you adjust it so that it will blend. And guys, you are good to go. You get my point? So you are going to follow this same process and then work on the third character. You get my point? But if you have issue, you can still let me know in the comment section. I'll be there to assist you 100%. You get my point? Then from here, after the settings, you can now add your sound effect, can now add your magic effect, all the effects you wish to add, and you are good to go. Then you export your video to your gallery. You get my point? So guys, see you in our next video.